Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through 2 simple ways to install the Smart Certificates add-on for Google Forms, so you can start automating your certificates right away. Our first method is directly through the Google Workspace Marketplace. Simply open your web browser and go to the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type Smart Certificates and press Enter. Locate and click on the Smart Certificates listing. Now, click the blue Install button. You'll be prompted to choose your Google account and grant necessary permissions. Click Allow to proceed. And that's it. Smart Certificates is now installed. Alternatively, you can install Smart Certificates directly from any Google form. Open any of your Google Forms. In the top right corner, click the 3-dot More menu and select Add-ons. The Google Workspace Marketplace will appear. Search for Smart Certificates and click on our listing. Click Install, choose your account, and grant the required permissions. Confirm the installation and you're good to go. To verify your installation, simply click the Add-ons puzzle piece icon in your Google form. You should now see Smart Certificates in the drop-down menu. Click it and select Open to launch the add-ons sidebar and begin your configuration. You're now ready to transform your forms with automated certificates. For more detailed setup instructions, check out our full documentation or watch our next video on designing templates. Visit gwaddons.com to learn more.